In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add end skin on a video on YouTube Studio. So first things, I'm going on my YouTube Studio. Then you need to upload a new video. For purpose, I upload a new video from my computer right now. I select this video for only example purpose. You need to click on here, then scroll down, then click on next. You can see this is a end skin option. First things, you need to fill up this option details: title, description, meta tag, currency and playlist, etc. Then you can see this video element, add end skin. So here are click add. You are able to add a playlist, a single video, anything here. Example purpose, I click on one video to subscribe, and on video to subscribe, two video to subscribe. So I click on two video. You need to select second or minute when you can see this end skin. I select at end of the video at the last moment. Okay, that's good. You need to just click on save. Then YouTube automatically show end of the video this end skin. So if you guys helpful this video for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.